All right, this is second grade math lesson 13-5 on using appropriate tools to solve problems. So choose a tool to solve each part of the problem. Be ready to explain which tools you used and why. Which line is longer? How much longer? Draw a line that is that length. So just by looking at it, I can see the blue line is longer than the red line, but I don't know how much longer. So the tool I'm going to need on this one is my ruler. So I'm going to measure this. The blue line is 7 centimeters, and the red line is 5 centimeters. So how much longer is one than the other? 7 minus 5 equals 2. So the blue line is 2 centimeters longer than the red line. Okay, let's take a look at the back of this page. All right. Sarah plays soccer. She is 56 feet away from the goal. She runs 24 feet straight towards the goal. How many feet from the goal is Sarah now? So how can I use a tool to solve the problem? So here's a bunch of tools you can use. Counters, cubes, measuring tools, number line, paper and pencil, place value blocks, technology, okay? So what we're gonna do is, this one they're having us use a number line. So she was right here at 56 feet. She ran 24 feet, and now she's at 32 feet. So it says on the do you understand show me, explain why counters are not the best tool to use to solve the problem above. Well, counters would take forever to go through and to move. So I would say counters would take too long. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So it says Sarah cut 19 centimeters of ribbon into 2 pieces. So our total here is 19. Now she cut it into 2 pieces. One piece is 11 centimeters. We need to know that amount. So 19 centimeters minus 11 centimeters is how much? Well, I know that 19 minus 11 is 8. So our answer would be 8 centimeters on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next page. It's the independent practice. So again, you can do this on your own and then come back and check, or you can do it with me. Okay, work with a partner. Measure each other's arm from the shoulder to the tip of the index finger. Okay? Measure the nearest inch. Whose arm is longer and by how much? And then choose a tool to solve that problem. Explain how you got that answer. So this one you have to measure. We can have partner 1 and partner 2. The tool that you'd want to use is a ruler, okay? And then you would put the longer arm minus the shorter arm to get your total answer, okay? All right, on number 3, Marcel jumped 39 centimeters high. Jamal jumped 48 centimeters high. How much higher did Jamal jump than Marcel? So I know we have 48 minus 39. So you could do it on a number line, or you could even stack it. 48 minus 39. 8 minus 9 won't work, so we'll regroup. That becomes 18. That becomes 3. 18 minus 9 is 9, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So it's a difference of 9 centimeters. Okay, let's go on to the back page here. All right, sailboats. Zach is measuring sailboats at the dock. Mr. Lee's sailboat is 64 feet long. Mr. Flint's sailboat is 25 feet shorter than Mr. Lee. So right now I'm going to go ahead. I know that is 25 less, okay? So now we have to find the amount. So what tool would you not use to solve this problem? I would not use counters or place value blocks. We don't need those. I also wouldn't need a ruler. That would take a long time, okay? Will you add or subtract to solve the problem? We know we need to subtract because it says shorter. So we are going to subtract. Now our equation is going to be 64 feet minus 25 feet less equals question mark. What unit of measure? We're talking about feet here. So we are going to use feet as our unit of measurement. Okay, now what is the length of the sailboat? So we have 64 feet minus 25 feet. 4 minus 5 is not going to work, so we're going to have to regroup. We're going to take a bundle of 10 and add it over here. And since we had 6 bundles of 10, now we have 5 bundles of 10. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 5 minus 2 is 3. What is the length? 39 feet. And did you use a tool to solve? I will just say no. I stacked and subtracted. But if you decided to use a number line, that's considered a tool that you might have used. All right, great job, everybody.